today we are celebrating Hubby's birthday. How old are you, Han?
I'm too old to remember.
So guys, Hubby want to blow 36. Okay, fine.
36 plus 30.
Okay, honey.
Is how much? 69.
Honey, you light your candle, huh? Yan ha, guys. Hubby blowing the cake for his 69th birthday. Actually late guys kasi may work kami, so ngayon namin celebrate yung Hubby's birthday. Today we celebrate your birthday, 69th birthday. So, honey, you wish first before you blow?
Yep.
Okay. Now you blow, huh?
I'm thinking about my wish.
Ah, you are not listening.
Okay, I got it. You wanna know what it is? Can't tell you. You can't come.
Okay, and this is not joke.
That wasn't either.
Okay.
You ready? Yay!
Yay! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to my hubby. Yay! Happy birthday, honey.
Thank you, honey.
Yeah. Hubby, I wish you more birthdays to come and you are always healthy.
Me too.
Because we are work
at
so
least
hard.
30 more.
Even 50 can. Because you have a good heart and you are always humble and you are always with me.
Hello.
Thank you so much for taking care of me and to my family. I love you.
I love you too.
And
Well,
we
I
cut
should probably
your cake.
eat the cake. Yeah.
No, honey, I need to cut your cake and give to you. Makulit din ito eh, parang bata. Si Abby. Hindi makapaghintay eh. Yan guys. Cut natin yung cake ni Abby. At saka, tayo ang mag-cut ng cake niya kasi prinsipe siya. Siya yung prinsipe sa bahay natin. Kaya, yan. Give you some cake. Happy birthday, buddy.
Thank you, honey.
You're welcome, buddy. You're my buddy. Yan guys, so yung handa namin guys is thank you. Yeah, handa ni Habi ngayon is chicken grill. Yan, hindi mawawala yung sweet potato niya. Favorite talaga ni Habi yung sweet potato.
Sweet potato. Sweet potato.
Yan guys, sweet potato niya. Masarap kasi kaya panay gawa niya. So may burger tayo.
Burger!
Special na burger. Gawa talaga ni Habi itong burger na to guys. Burger. Gawa ni Habi yan. So masarap. So meron tayong apple pie. Yan, apple pie. So hindi nawawala yung biko natin. Biko. Andyan pa yung biko natin guys. Hindi pa nagalaw yung biko. Marami pa. So, meron
And
din tayong fruit
coffee.
salad. Fruit salad. And then, yung favorito niyang cake ngayon, guys. Always, carrot cake. Yan. Ang sarap ng kape.
Carrot cake.
Pagkasama ang mahal mo, magkakape. Guys. So, ayan. Honey, you want another plate for you? So that you can eat the... Tabi muna natin yung cake. Mamaya na niya kainin. Hindi siya makakain pag unahin yung cake, guys. So, ayan, burger muna tayo. I think this one mine and this is yours. Mamaya na yung cake.
We need some ketchup ready.
Ketchup. So, ayan. Ano tayo? We are celebrating your birthday. Happy 69th birthday. Enjoy your birthday, buddy. Sorry.
Well, I bet you guys didn't see that.
Ketchup pumunta sa damit ni Happy. Yung ketchup, guys, nandoon sa lahat sa damit.
She missed the point. Hit me in the gut.
So, ayan. May juice. May root beer tayo. Favorito nating root beer na. Masarap pala ito.
That good, ain't it?
Very good.
Looks really good.
Ang sarap ng burger ni Happy, guys. Gawa niya to. Solid yung ano ni Happy, burger. So,
Fine brewed root beer.
so guys, si Happy,
Hey, put the chili
Yan.
down, honey.
kumakain yun ng chicken. Wings
Oh,
lang
my
talaga. Wings lang talaga yan, guys. Kaya, bigyan natin siya ng wings. Tanggalin natin yung wings at ibigay kay Happy.
What are you doing to the chicken's crying. The chicken begging.
Yan, guys. Bigyan natin yung wings ni Happy. 2 wings. Yan. Favorito ni Happy yung
He just
wings.
cut his arms off.
Favorito niyang wings. Ayan. Your favorite wings, honey. Enjoy. So, ayan. Wala na. Hindi na makakain ni Happy yan, guys. So, ayan. And fish.
Just right.
Burger.
Where's the knife? Yeah.
My burger, buddy.
Really good.
Yeah, so much. Ang good.
What, a mouse bite that?
Ang sarap ng burger.
It looks like a mouse bit it.
No, that one is
Open your mouth and stick it in.
onion. The fried onion. Sarap. Yes, yan. Thank you for watching our video, guys. See you in my next see you in next year. Abby's birthday. Bye bye. Say bye bye to them, honey.
Right.
Bye bye.
The ear.
Next year, see you.